Hey there, I'm Megan with WTI, and I wanted to show you my Japanese style fruit bowl by SHIN-YIK. What I really love about it in particular is the fact that the bottom is made out of bamboo. Because bamboo is antibacterial and breathable, it is the perfect material for the base of this fruit bowl because it's going to ensure optimal freshness for your fruit. The size of this bowl is really lovely and looks perfectly proportionate on my round kitchen table. You can fit so much in this thing. I can fit a whole cantaloupe in here. On top of that, I can put apples and even grapes, bananas, they all fit in the one bowl. So its size is really exceptional. One great thing about having this fruit bowl out here on my kitchen table that I was not anticipating is that my kids are eating more fruit now. When I slowly put out fruit in this bowl and leave it on the table, I'm finding that my kids are just picking up the fruit as they walk past. So if you're looking for a simple, sleek design in a fruit bowl with a lot of functionality to it as well, I definitely recommend this one. And that's my point of view.